looking for the soft touch. It was a campaign that they wish they got something out of. Well, Mandal.
As a veteran.
Well, now you know why he's... Rother. And now the national team. Again, almost a miscommunication there.
Oh! Teams not known for their floor defense.
Barely saved, Rother. And there's a audible ooh every time that episode comes. We'll see action sooner rather than later. Dos, looking for Mandal. Malabnan. And Espejo. Bagunas was blocked. Espejo. To the thighs. Espejo. Oh, switched it. Still at 31. Good defensive effort there. Bagunas. Supakon. And a service. They lead by 1 over the visitors. And Bagunas
Up. And mas nakakakuha tayo ng
Bagunas. What an effort there from Bagunas and Espejo. And that's a lot. And that. And Rother. I won. And a block. Set up. And blocking there coming from the thighs. It goes back to Bagunas. It's more like it for Mark Espejo. And Marco tried to win it back. With this rally. Supakon. And the blocking there. Kept alive though. Trying to string together a couple of points. Oh! We go to Bagunas. Bagunas.
we have to be very steady pagdating sa
and that Bagunas keeps it up. And
it's not that the team was not so good. The first set we was good, and after our serve was not so efficient. They could play always with the ball close to the net, and for us was very much more difficult. So I know what we have to improve, but now we have another problem that is biggest problem. The problem of Bagunas. So we will see. We know that we don't have him. We have other players. Yesterday, also when they get inside, they were performing. So what we have to do? I don't try to cry because I don't have Bagunas. Pity that we don't have him. I hope that he will not very big injury, but we will play with the other players. It's also an opportunity to them to make experience. Because if Baguna is playing, some other is not making experience. So, I know that will be more difficult, but we do everything is possible to win every match, also without Bagunas. After, I don't know if we will get it or not, but we try for sure.
Naging problema namin sa team ngayon is yung pasa and masyadong naging predictable na yung ginagawa ko. So, doon kami nahihirapan and malakas yung service nila. Di agad kami nakapag-side out, kaya medyo lumang sila sa amin. Kaya ayun yung pagtutuunan pa namin ang panahon. Ako, iba kasi yung game pagdating sa international. So, sabi nga ng coach namin, kailangan pa namin masanay sa Southeast Asia muna bago kami pumunta sa World next year.
Siguro yung sa depensa, kailangan ko lang hindi masyadong maging malikot. More on more on react, not anticipation. Hindi siya mag-anticipate, parang puro react lang sa bola. And ayun po, parang again, yung siguro dapat maging consistent ako sa energy ko inside ako. With Coach Angelino, sobrang nakakatuwa, sobrang happy ako na naging coach siya kasi siya yung coach na parang nagre-relax sa akin, siya yung parang nagmo-motivate na just play free inside the court.
Wala naman. Parang sinabi ko lang sa sarili ko na every time na ibibigay sa kanya yung bola, kailangan ko mga puntos. Kaya all out ako every bola na ibibigay sa akin.
Ano lang masasabi mo dun sa bagong sistema na national team with coach?
Sobrang ganda ng sistema ni Coach Bergonia kasi sobrang natututo kami mga player, tsaka sobrang strict niya na nakakaganda sa team, tsaka yun, all throughout sobrang ganda ng sistema ni Coach.
Ano lang din feeling na nakalaro mo yung UAAP MVP ni Joshua Banes bilang NCAA MVP?
Yun, proud din ako na yun, nakapaglaro sa national team, tsaka nakakalaro ko yung mga sikat dito sa Pilipinas, mga MVPs na kay Brian. So yun, proud din ako sa sarili ko na nandito ako.
Gaano ka ka-honored na ipakita yung talent ng NCAA dito sa national team natin?
Yun nga, sobrang honored din ako na makapaglaro dito dahil galing din ako sa NCAA. So, wala namang pero siguro yun lang, dala-dala ko yung NCAA dito sa national team.
Pinaka-best yung natalo namin yung Thailand, yung powerhouse ng Thailand. Kasi parang before dream lang namin na makaset kami against Thailand, pero ngayon natalo namin tapos kami lumapit sa finals against Indonesia. Siguro yung sa buong career ko, yun yung pinaka-the best na nangyari sa akin.